Hey, welcome to Ankineer. If you are serious about learning, you use Anki. Whether you're studying law, coding, or a new language, the algorithm is unbeatable.
But let's be honest, the default interface is rough. It's cluttered, the text is tiny, and it feels like software from 1999. It works, but it doesn't inspire you to work.
I didn't just want a flashcard app. I wanted a high-performance command center. So I engineered one. Introducing the Ankineer HUD, a complete visual overhaul for Anki.
This isn't just a theme, it's a head-up display that puts your most critical data front and center, designed to keep you in the flow state.
First, the home base. We all have a deadline, a final exam, a certification, or a trip abroad. The countdown widget keeps your target visible every single time you open the app. But the real productivity hack is the Next Session button. Stop scrolling and deciding. One click launches you straight into the deck with the highest workload.
If tools like this help you stay productive, consider subscribing to the channel right now. We are building the ultimate toolkit for super learners, and you don't want to miss what's coming next.
Now, let's look at the deck dashboard. When you enter a deck, distractions disappear. You get an 8-point data grid tracking your performance. We track velocity, your average speed per card. Are you flowing through cards too fast? Or are you getting stuck? Now you have the data to measure it.
And most importantly, critical care. This monitors your leeches, the cards you fail over and over again. These cards destroy your efficiency. Every learner is different, so everything is configurable. You decide how many lapses make a card a leech. Need to fix them? Just click the widget. It instantly opens the browser with a filter applied, so you can edit or suspend those problem cards in seconds.
Upgrade your workflow today. Stop fighting the interface and start mastering your subject. The download link is in the description. Thanks for watching Anki, and I'll see you in the next session.